everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this brow product right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is by the brand J&J Story, and it is an eyebrow set. I'm going to show you everything that comes in here. So you have your little spoolie and brush. You have your little pomade. So I do use another brand, but it's in a lighter color. I have it in the shade taupe, and it's too light, so I wanted to try a dark brown to see if it looks better. So I did get a dark brown color. It comes with a little brow pencil, which looks really nice. It comes with some tweezers. If your brows grow like super bushy, it does come with these. You like comb it and then trim your brows. Make sure that you're using it this way. My brows are not that great, so I won't be using that. And I do use these, although I'm not going to use it today, but I do use these. I use them for my brows to kind of get up top these little fine hairs. And these things work amazing. I do really like these. And I love that this one kind of just like goes into nothing because most of them are just long, but I do like that it does that. So let's go ahead and get right into this and start fixing these brows because I look a little crazy right now, to be honest with you. So I'm going to start off with this. I'm going to underline like underneath it, and then I'm going to use the pomade to kind of get the rest. So I like to outline my brows to start out with. So I'm going to go, I'll tweeze my brows after I'm done. So this is actually really nice and creamy. Look how crazy my brows look like up close. Do you see all those hairs on top? I probably should have shaved those because it looks kind of crazy, to be honest. So I'm going to do both brows. Okay, it looks really crazy right now, but I'm going to fix it all. I'm going to have to use that. Hopefully I don't get my makeup off with it. But my brows are looking kind of crazy up here. So I'm going to kind of show you like close up what it does. This also helps really exfoliate your skin, which is really nice. But you normally do want to use it just when you get out of the shower. Okay, it's not perfect, but I cleaned it up a lot compared to what it was. So that's pretty much the first step. Now let's go ahead and go into the pomade. So as you can see, I've done this eye already. Now let's go ahead and go on this side. You do want to use a very light hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm put some on the brush. Now I'm just going to kind of put it onto here. So you just kind of do that to just get off extra product. And then I'm going to just start going underneath here. It's very, very pigmented. Okay, so that's what we have. And I like to get my foundation brush and just kind of go like this just to kind of soften the edges out. So that's the final results on what they actually look like. I do think it did a really good job. I actually do like this color a lot. I think I made my brows a little thick today, thicker than normal. But it's just, this is extremely creamy and pigmented. So a little bit goes a long way. I probably could have went with a lighter color, but it actually does match like the roots of my hair really well. Let me go ahead and clean up the bottom as well. So this is a lot of products and it's so affordable. It's like, I love Amazon. So I'm just going to clean up the bottom down here. So these tweezers are just like flat. Like you can see, they're just flat. They don't have an angle like most. Okay, so that is what they look like, all nice and cleaned up. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.